All right. 922, 920. All right. 922, 920. Ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. BC, BC. Oh, BC. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. E, 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 E.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I don't like how we have S&Ts at these lows. Yeah, I don't like how we have S&Ts at these lows. Because normally we don't want to see these S&Ts at these lows if we're bearish. Unless we break them with on ES, then yeah. But let's see that. Because if we take the high to the low, we're at discount right now. And we also have this low that got taken. This low hasn't got taken yet, so normally I don't want to see that. We did have displacement though to the upside. I like these deviations though. 6 a.m. open is 6 a.m. right here. This is a 6 a.m. open. I just don't like how we have S&Ps at these lows. Still able enough though. If ES breaks this low, that'd be more preferably better. Like if ES was to break this low, then that would be my cue. All right. So we broke this low here. We have the 930 soon though. We can look for 930 and see what that is. 930 open about 2 minutes. So let's see what this does, what kind of reaction it will give. I don't like how we're trapped between this hourly BISI though and this hourly CIBI, but slow does look good though. I just don't like the S&Ts and how we're at discount. Took that low. See the reaction of this one right here. Time frame. 5 minute. All right, let's see what the 930 does. Let's see what the 930 does. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so we closed pretty good. Yeah, it's not that bad. 5 minutes. Take the high and low of this range. OTE. This high, this low. Let's see what this does here. This is OTE. Let's see. S took the slow. Still got taken as well. Tap this 5 minute. Tap 1 5 minute. Just want to see that explode. The proper closure. And then if valley gap reactions. Down close candle. Slow, take this one, take one. This one here, this one hasn't. I don't like how wiki this is right here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's a new week. New opportunities. Okay. I like the way we're closing here though. Buy market stops. I don't like that. So now we're below the 6 a.m. open. This one, 5 minute. Okay. I want to wait for a 1 minute fair value gap to form. I'm going to enter shorts. Let's see if a 1 minute fair value gap forms. All right, so we have this 4 hour 2 a.m. candle, and then we have this 6 a.m. So this 6 a.m. basically open, came to premium, and now we're trading close to the opening of this 4 hour. So what I want to look for shorts is a 1 minute fair value gap form, and now enter shorts to then target this low down here. So my draw, if I'm bearish, is this low down here. But I just don't like how spiky and wicky it is right now. So I'm going to wait for a 1 minute fair value gap to form, and I'll probably just look for shorts. Because if I were to enter a shorts right here, then I would have the probability of price running the highs once more, because I don't like how wicky and spiky it is right now. So I prefer 1 minute fair value gap to form and then look for my target rather than just entering shorts right here. We are at discount too, so yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a 1 minute fair value gap. Smoothly. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. I want to see displacement being shown. I don't want to see this retracement like that. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Taking this low. All right, so if we form a fair value gap right here, then I'll look for shorts. Just got to be patient here. I don't really want to chase this either. If it can form a fair value gap and wait 20 seconds before taking that low, that would be nice. But if it takes it, then that's fine.
Order submitted.
All right, I put my sell limit. If it takes it, then that's fine.
Order filled.
All right, where's this one at? $26. All right, so I'm in this short position right now, and I'm targeting this low. So if I get stopped out here, then I'm okay with that. So if I get stopped out here, I'm okay with that. I'm looking to short because in my pre-market game plan, I was bearish for those lows, but we're gonna see how we react from this 1 minute fair value gap. I'm okay with the risk I put on, and if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. We're gonna see how we react from here. This 941. We have this 6 a.m. candle here, so we're gonna see how we react from this area. So I'm playing off the 6 a.m. 4-hour candle. So the previous candle, we had this high and this low. We created this dealing range. So what does 6 a.m. do? 6 a.m. opened, traded above into the premium, and then now we're below the 6 a.m. opening. So my target is this low, which is 2640, and that's the external from the weekly BISI that we had on NASDAQ. So 6 a.m. open, manipulated into premium, and now we're below the 6 a.m. opening, expecting distribution to at least seek this low down here, which is why I'm short at this 1 minute fair value gap. And if I get stopped out, then I'm fine with that. As long as I follow my pre-market game plan, then that's all I'm happy about. But we're in shorts right now. with a 20-point stop loss. So this low down here is a very good target because it's the previous low from this 4-hour candle. But my target is a little bit lower because it's this external from this weekly BISI. So we do have 10 a.m. open in about like 17 minutes. So it could be a little bit choppy here. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like that candle, how it
Stop
just went
filled.
up. All right, so I got stopped out here. 20 points on this trade. Yeah. Well, I traded my plan, so I got stopped out here. We're above the 6 a.m. open now. That's a reverse. Yeah, that's like retracement right there. 15-minute time frame. Hourly busy. Yeah. We're above the 6 a.m. open. We're retesting this 5-minute fair value gap right here. Yeah, we do have those S&Ts at the lows. Right here. Down close. Yeah, those S&Ts at these lows. Those were the shot though. I like the trade. I like the short. I like the short I took. That kind of short I took would be like the type of short I would take 100,000 times. But we had those S&Ts at these lows. We're back below around the 6 a.m. open now. Stop loss. While I was in the trade, I already had my take profit and stop loss. Yeah, this is what happens when you have a Monday with no news. It doesn't really like give you that expansion needed. So I'm still bearish, but I feel like this move up was unnecessary if we were trying to be taking this low down here. But it is Monday, no news, so this is why you have to be risk off and not put a lot of risk on the table. So now we're below the 6 a.m. open again. Yeah, it's better to just wait for 10 a.m. So I can set the stage for the rest of the morning session. If we're bullish, then we will want the hourly close above this hourly BISI. But if we're bearish, then this inversion, if we inverse this for value gap, then we're definitely taking the lows. But for now, we're kind of like 50-50. So yeah, it's best to just wait for 10 a.m. Now we have the macro. Seeing if we inverse this for value gap here. If not, then these equal highs will be a good target for longs as well. But I just need 10 a.m. to come and see how it sets the stage for the rest of the day. Dow is showing some real strength though. This is Dow right now. Dow looks way better than ES and NQ right now. Yeah, it's disrespecting bearish PD arrays. We also tap this manipulation level. Yeah. See what 10 does. Because once 10 a.m. opens and this 6 a.m. candle does not take this higher low, this is going to be an inside candle. So this 10 a.m. open is going to have some expansion to either take these lows or this high. So it's going to be interesting to see. Yeah, these equal highs don't look bad. But if we are to go higher, then this 4 hour SIBI above looks good too. I just want to wait for 10 though. The way we opened for 6 a.m. came above into premium and then came down here and had this 1 minute FEG and then just reversed it. It's like it tricked a lot of people like me. But if we are going for these equal highs and then to potentially rebalance this 4 hour SIBI above, then yeah, that looks good too. We have 10 a.m. opening in about 4 minutes though. Hourly, to see closed above. Got this 5 minute FEG down here though. So I'm gonna remove this because it's more highly probability that we're gonna disrespect that hourly SIBI. And I want to see how we react from this 5 minute FEG down here. Because we already had a change state delivery from this last down close candle. So this would be your breaker. And then your 5 minute fair value gap. Yeah, changing state delivery is like one of the things I love because this, in my opinion, change state delivery is better than market structure shift because market structure shift, you have to wait for that swing low. But change state delivery, once you can see change state delivery, you can get in shorts pretty early and not have that doubt that that's price gonna run without you. So I kind of like change state delivery more than market structure shift. I don't like, I mean, I'm kind of fine with the shorts I took earlier. I kind of like those shorts and I like the trade I took, so I'm not really too upset over the loss I took earlier this morning because like this morning I was bearish for the lows, but since we already took previous day low and we took previous weekly low, it's not really ideal to short once you take those lows, like the previous time-based session liquidity lows. But I'm kind of fine with the trade I took. So now we're gonna see if we can look for some longs to the upside once 10 a.m. opens and manipulates. So we just tap that change state delivery and we have this 5-minute for value gap below. If I'm bearish, then I want to see a 1-minute inversion. I mean, if I'm bullish, I want to see a 1-minute inversion from this 5-minute BISI. But now we have S&Ts at the high, so yeah, this is Monday for you. All right, so we tapped that 5-minute for value gap. So let's see if we can. Yeah, so right now we're looking to either go for this swing low or this swing high here above. So I'm gonna mark this out here. I'm also gonna mark this high above. I like the way we were reacting from this 5-minute BISI. So this 5-minute breaker and this 5-minute for valid gap. But I want to see a 1-minute for valid gap form because I don't want to enter right away. But we have two targets, this high or this low. We took that previous, we took previous 4-hour high, displacing through it as well. We also have this 4-hour for valid gap here formed. Wow. Look at Dow. Dow is perfect. You can clearly see the accumulation, manipulation, and the near distribution. Classic buy profile on the daily. Yeah, Dow was much cleaner than ES and NQ today. SMTs at the highs. Or hour. We're back into this hourly busy now. I want to see if this 5 minute candle closes below this 5 minute for value gap. Because all we did was 10 a.m. open, came above this 4 hour SIBI, swept liquidity. Now we're coming back down below the 10 a.m. open. We did tap this manipulation level too. We have this 15 minute here. And then we have this 1 minute change to delivery. So 10 a.m. we closed below this 5 minute fair value gap. So this failed to offer fair value. No, it did offer, but we just closed below. Okay. So maybe shorts weren't the thoughts of shorts this morning wasn't that bad then maybe because if the purpose of us running the highs is to rebalance this future 4 hour Sibi to then continue pushing lower, then that would make sense. But the fact that we were so close to this low as well and just automatically reversed is crazy. Okay. If I'm going short here, then I would want to identify where we could potentially see a for value at form. I don't like how we're looking on the 15. This is ES and NQ. And I don't like how we're looking on the 15. We're just ranging back and forth, which is what I don't want to see. But it is Monday, so this is typically what you would expect, especially with no news. What do you think about a low risk sell on that 1 minute for value gap with displacement? If I'm being honest, just by looking at the 15-minute time frame, I don't want to touch this. And I don't think I'm going to take any more trades. Because I want to not really like engage in this price action where it's just going back and forth. We could expect some expansion soon though to these lows. Because I was looking for these lows here. Okay, this doesn't look that bad here.
Order filled.
This is my last trade for the day. And if this doesn't pan out, then I'm gonna be done for the day. So retracement to premium, 1 minute for valid gap, below the 10 a.m. open. So this is my last trade, and if it doesn't pan out, I'll be done for the day. And my target will be this low down here. All right. So this is my last trade and my last trade for today. I will be right back. I'm gonna use the bathroom. So just give me like 1 minute. Shit. Almost hit you. I almost hit you. All right, I'm back, guys. So, so we came retracement into premium into this 1 minute for value gap, and now we're gonna see if price seeks this low down here. Chad, don't hit my keyboard. You want food? I'll get you food after. Just give me like 5 minutes. But Chad, don't hit the microphone, or else you're gonna scratch it. All right. So we're still in this trade right here. So we're gonna see how it pans out. So yeah, like I was talking about, the first trade we took was a loss because we were shorting at a 1 minute fair value gap to the low, but then we retraced and reversed to fill a 4 hour SIBI above. And after that fill, after 10 a.m. open, created the wick, we entered at around the opening of 10 a.m. And now we're looking at the distribution. So if we get a close above 930, I'm gonna move my stop to break even. So we haven't gotten that close yet above 930, but I don't like the way we're pushing up again, especially inverting that fair value gap. All right, so we closed above. So now I'm going to move my stop break even. So if it takes me out the position, I'm fine with that.
Stop failed.
All right, there we go. So stop break even. So that's 2 out of 2 for today. So first trade took shorts at this 1 minute fair value gap. And then price reversed back on us, going short. Then we went short here at premium, targeting this low down here. And then price took our stop loss again. So that's 2 out of 2 for today. It is Monday, so choppy back and forth range is expected. So I'm done trading for the day now. So this is a 15-minute time frame right here. You can see how ideal it is where we're chopping back and forth. But I'm kind of happy with the trades I took. In my opinion, they're pretty clean. It's just the environment that we are in right now that is not clean for price to deliver fluidly. So I'm happy with the trades I took and why I took them. So that's all that matters. If I can take that trade 1,000 times, then I know for a fact that that trade was good. But yeah, I am gonna wrap up the session now. So I hope you guys have a good day. Enjoy your day, and